Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohammad Afiq Izzuddin bin Sharif. My matrix number is E190132. Okay, so today I will present a little bit about my final year project. Okay, so this is my title, Floating Solar Panel for Small Appliance. Okay, so this is my project background. Solar energy is one of the renewable energy resources that is increasingly appealing to consumers today. It is a type of energy available to humans on this planet. So this is my problem statement and why I want to do this floating solar panel project. So most area in this country will be affected by flood every year. This project to help the affected to get some electrical resources when the flood coming, the electrical resources from the Tenaga Nasional Berhad will be cut off. This floating solar panel will give some resources for use as emergency uses, such as charging mobile phone and emergency lamp. Okay, so this is my objective for this project. Okay, so firstly is to construct and simulate the solar panel power plant. Next, to design a prototype of floating solar panel. Last but not least is to analyze the system for the usage to supply the power for phone charging and emergency lamp. Okay, so this is my scope of study. Okay, so first is to design the solar panel power plant system. Then it will be simulated by using Proteus Simulink software. And next, to design and build the prototype of floating solar panel system as much as 100 watt. And last but not least is to analyze the power for phone charging and emergency lamp. Okay, so this is my methodology. Okay, so the project will be carried out according to the flowchart as shown here. Okay, so first we start and next we find and select the most suitable device for the project. And then we apply MPPT controller system circuit to the simulation of Proteus. And then we run the simulation to examine and verify the output of MPPT controller system output. Okay, so when we monitoring the output supply to the load, okay, so if the simulation runs smoothly, we'll be design and construct the prototype. But if the simulation not run smoothly, we simulation again and run again to get the simulation. Okay, so after we design and construct the prototype, we analyze the output supply at least 100 or more than 100. Okay, so after we get this result and load can get the supply from the MPPT control system. Okay, so that's all for flowchart. So next is Proteus Simulink. Okay, Proteus is a comprehensive development platform that takes the product concept to design completion. Okay, so this is my circuit on Proteus Simulink. Okay, so next is preliminary result. Okay, so when we test the simulation, we put the MPPT controller photovoltaic system into condition. Okay, so first is irradiance variation. Okay, so the figure shown is an analog analysis that the panel photovoltaic when receiving the input from the irradiance variation. Okay, so for this simulation, the irradiance is not stable. So in the beginning, the input voltage is at 20 volt and the last second at 10 volt. Okay, so next is in the second condition is MPPT controller photovoltaic system in stable irradiance. So for this simulation, the irradiance is stable. So in the beginning to the last second, the input voltage is constant at 20 volt. Okay, so my expected result to this project is first is the proposed system will provide a reliable alternative power supply when power outage occur. And next, the proposed system will help a lot of people that are impressed by the flood. And last but not least is the proposed system continuously will supply the power for people use to help others and itself. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.